short video of a few 80 milliwatt pen style lasers from Vega Lasers to see if they pop balloons. They have a clicky button in the back. Let's try them out. Yes, they do, but after a few seconds. Another one. Do another one. $80 milliwatt Vega lasers do pop balloons.